If there's one thing that is constant today, it's that the business landscape is in a perpetual state of flux. Now, some changes can be more jarring than others, like laying off a significant percentage of your workforce, the passing of a key employee, and even the unexpected resignation of multiple employees all at the same time. Well, as a leader, it's important to know one key element about powerfully navigating unexpected change. Unanticipated changes will amplify human wiring for various underlying reasons. It's important to understand that human wiring is a natural part of navigating change, so that when you're communicating that organizational change, you satisfy the natural needs that get amplified during uncertainty. The reality is everyone's unique mix of wiring is distinct. And as a leader, you can skillfully and artfully navigate any kind of change with greater ease when you keep wiring in mind. See, your human wiring is something that you're born with and dictates the type of environment in which you're best equipped to thrive and succeed, and the kind of environment you prefer to live and work. Now, with the knowledge of someone's wiring, you can recognize and appreciate what matters to them and how they need to receive their communication. Now, there will be individuals naturally wired to put their thumbprint on the change. They're going to be concerned with how the change affects them or the results or outcomes of that change. So is there a way to put them on a team that rolls out the changes so they're part of the planning process, thereby getting their thumbprint on the rollout? 2, others will want to be able to ask questions or voice their concerns. So is there a way to give them an opportunity to invite questions? Now, depending on the change being implemented, it might be helpful to have a phone number so they can call and talk through any questions or concerns. Still others, they want to know the next steps and nurture those impacted by the change. Adding something as simple as the stages of the rollout to your communication could satisfy individuals who innately need to know the sequence of events. And individuals wired for certainty. They want to know the who, what, where, and whys of the change. So if there are any number of unknowns, let them know you'll be following up with them as soon as you know. Now, to keep their trust, make sure to follow up on the date you promised to follow up. As a leader, how you show up and address each of these wiring needs can mean the difference between a PR nightmare or causing your team to skillfully navigate the change with grace. The words you choose, the methods of conveying the messages, the pace at which you implement, these all matter. They matter in effectively moving your organization ahead. Different situations require different tools. When you increase your personal awareness of human wiring, you increase your communication effectiveness and lead with grace and ease, regardless of the circumstances. If you want fresh ideas on leading change, you can download our Human Wiring infographic and Wiring Matters infographic at acceleratassociates.com/hardwiring. I'm Lisa Manini. Until next week, create a great life.